Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Your Geo SIM is active, and you're signed into My Geo with that number. Once done, open My Geo or the YouTube app, look for the Geo YouTube Premium offer, and tap to start. Choose monthly or annual so you know the charge schedule. Make sure a payment method is Ready, UPI, Card, or Geo Balance, because the flow will prompt immediate verification and authorization to bind the subscription to your account. Next, you verify and link accounts so the benefit applies correctly. When prompted, enter the OTP sent to your Geo number and allow the requested permissions. This ties YouTube to your Geo identity. Then pick whether you want an individual, family, or student plan and review the monthly versus annual price. After that, complete the payment authorization. Once the transaction succeeds, make sure both My Geo and the YouTube app show the active premium status before moving on to device setup. Finally, you activate features and verify they work. Open YouTube, look for the premium badge, then try downloading a video and playing audio with the screen off to confirm background play. Cast to a TV to test device linkage. If everything shows active, note billing dates in My Geo. If the subscription doesn't appear, try the troubleshooting step. Sign out of YouTube and My Geo, clear the YouTube app cache, sign back in, and re-verify via OTP. That usually resolves sync faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.